Hanapin lang natin siya kasi meron dito. Hindi ko alam kung saan dito to. Ito! Ang inat! Hello everybody! Welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be unboxing haul from Shopee. So as you can see, I gained just a little bit of weight because there's a lot of celebration here in our household. A lot of birthdays, anniversary, a lot of celebrations. So I am back working out and on my diet already, and you know, I'm getting back in shape. Today we are going to do another haul, but this is from Shopee. I don't know if this is a Shopee finds, but if you like working out and if you love cheap clothes like me, I'm cheap, you know what I mean. But this is a video for you guys. Wait, nag-subscribe na ba kayo sa channel ko? Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you get updated on my latest upload. Follow me on Instagram at Banzon so you can see more of this. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So, I got my phone right here to see what are the things that I bought in Shopee because nabudol me. I got first thing that we're going to open today. I really wanted to have like a proper clothes for working out, so I found this top. As you can see, this is a simple top. This is not a sports bra top, but it's okay. I can use it for going out, which is I'm not going out because there's COVID. But we can still use it from working out, and it's so aesthetic. So I bought two. Actually, I bought three, but the other one was for my cousin. So I bought the black one and the green one. So we're going to open that up right now. Hanapin lang natin siya kasi meron dito. Hindi ko alam kung saan dito to. Ito! We're going to open it already. As I told you earlier, I bought three because nabudol me. So, ito na siya. Ay, ang ikli. Ayun na, ikli niya. So, this is a little bit short than what I've seen on the model from the photo, but it's fine. So, this is the black one. Let me just test the... also has a padding. I really thought that it's not hidden, but it's hidden, so you have the padding over here. It was attachable on the bras already. It's not, you know, the one that you can remove, but it was okay. I love a bra or a bralette with padding already. And we have this one. This is for my cousin. This is the maroon one, I think. So it's the same with all the quality. I really love the bottom as well, so you can see the details in the bottom. I liked it. And it's stretchable as well. This is the green one. I love the green one. What I don't like is the green one is a little bit off because as you can see the color of the neckline and on the shoulder, it's a different color from the top, like this cloth. It's a little bit, you know, off green. I hope it's the same color as this one. So I'm going to wear it and show it to you guys. Let's go. For the top, I liked it and I think I can wear it in a lot of ways, like whenever I go out, you know, just you pair it with jeans. It's a little bit short. I've seen the photo and it's like a little bit down here, but it's, you know, it's crop crop crop. It's a crop top. Yeah, that's it. So for the top, again, it's okay, just the same with the green one. Whether you wear it outside or just pair it with other like shorts, denim shorts, and I can go out, go to the mall and everything. So it's fine. I like the top. The next one is this short. I really want a cycling short for working out because I always use my short. Whenever I walk or I jog, my short usually goes up, and I hate that feeling whenever I run or walk. So, I need a proper clothes for working out. So, I bought a shorts. I bought two, I think. Two nga ba? Teka. Ko alam. Yeah, I bought two. On the shade blush and green. So, I'm going to put everything on the side. So, let's see. I've seen the review and they said that it's a little bit see-through. So, let's see. Ang init dito. You know, I'm sweating really hard. So, this is it. Actually, guys, it is the same cloth with this one. They have the same cloth. With the top, they have the same cloth. And this is the shorts. This is the blush one. And I am looking how see-through it is. But I think it won't be like super see-through. It will be a little bit, but it's not super see-through. It's okay. But we'll see later. This is the green one as well. I love this color. I will be buying another color like maroon and black. I forgot to buy the black one. I love this one that goes around your waist. Let's see how it looks like on me because, you know, I'm sexy. Char. Ang bangit! Pawis na pawis na ako. Let's try it on. Let's go. Okay guys, false alarm. It's see-through. So yeah, it's see-through. As you can see, I'm wearing white undies. And it's showing, you know what I mean? I should bought the black one. I might do that very soon. But yeah, if I'm just here, if I'm just working out inside my house or inside my grandmother's old house, I always work out there. Just work out inside your house. That's the solution. Work out inside your house, girls. Booty. Also same with the green one. This is see-through. I don't know how we can fix this one, but you know, I told you, you can just work out inside your house to not show everything underneath this short because it's showing. As you can see, I'm wearing white undies and it's showing on here and at the back. So whenever you do workout, like squats, this is a no-no. Like this is really a no-no. I feel like I'm wearing a stocking right now and it shows everything underneath this short. My undies. Hello. Hello. Showing my booty to everybody. Hi. The next one is, this is an equipment because I've wanted to have like a proper place to do my workout. So I bought, I'm so excited for this. Like, this is a yoga mat. But this is 4mm because it's way cheaper. Because I'm cheap. I told you, I'm always cheap. I'll go with cheap prices. But yeah, it's a yoga mat. We'll see about the quality because I've seen the reviews as well. It's a little bit thin. I bought a yoga mat and it cost me $127. Let's see. This is how it looks like. Oh my gosh. Bubble wrap is gaming. So I did not choose a color, so it's a random 4mm. So I'm so happy that it's black. I love black color. I don't want any light colors because I don't want to clean. But I don't want any light colors because it's hard to clean it, and it's also, you know, it's a little bit, it's prone for, you know, dirt and a lot of that. So I'm happy that they gave me black one. Thank you so much for giving me the black one because, you know, I hate cleaning. Oh, wow! Let's see. Oh! Tabi nga ako! Ayan! Ayan, ganda. Actually, it's not black. It's like a little bit navy blue. Blue. Dark blue. I think it's not black, but it's like blue or like dark green, dark blue, match it together. So this is how it looks like. It also have a little pattern. And I hope I can use it already on my workout because I've been like doing intense workout right now. Since my birthday is coming up, I really wanted to have like a good photos for my birthday. So you know what I mean? So you know what I mean? So you know what I mean? But I'm so happy that I already have a yoga mat to work on. We already have a mat.
The next day.
So guys, done with our workout for today. I use my mat. Ayan. I also bought another piece from the same shop because you know I'm getting professional. So I bought a resistant band. I bought a band on medium yellow resistant band for working my booty, for my legs, because I wanted to, you know, work out with my legs and like that, you know, for my booty and my booty. So this is how it looks like. I don't know how resistance band should be because I've never you know, seen a resistance bands before. This is what I'm going to put or use on my booty and legs workout.
The next morning.
So I'm going to end this vlog already. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell below so you get updated on my latest upload. Follow me on my Instagram at Rose Banzon, TikTok at Rose Banzon. My Facebook page is Rose Banzon. I also have a blog, www.rosebanzon.com. rosebanzonph.blogspot.com. I have a workout routine on my channel, here in my channel, so if you wanna check that out, I'm going to put the link up here and down below on my description box below. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let's work out, let's work our booty, but don't show it to everybody because it's see-through. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you guys on the next one. Bye! Bye, 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 bye! Ang init! Oh, it's so hot here in the Philippines. Take me home to Alabama. Mountain Rollers. Take home.
You see